This is an Islamic astrolabe. This instrument is actually a mechanical computer. What you see here is the projection of the sky for a specific latitude. This is for Istanbul. It starts with one single observation. And we will actually try to maintain the position of this piece exactly aligning with the sun. This is a perfect alignment, and we just read the altitude from here to here. Is 54 degrees.
That means the sun is 54 degrees above the horizon. The user now turns the astrolabe over to find the 54-degree circle on the bottom plate. Next step, find and mark the date. It's etched on the ring that represents the sun's path. Then rotate the plate until the date aligns with the altitude mark. If you take a piece of string from the center of the astrolabe through the aligned points, you can read the time from the rim. The line is like the hand of a clock. It's 4 minutes past 2 in the afternoon.
That is not a simple to use instrument, but accurate enough for all timekeeping applications.